So now we're just putting a new drive shaft on in the front.
There's like nothing in there.
How much would you say came out of that?
Probably
Like a half a cup?
yeah, something. Yeah.
It's supposed to hold a quart.
A quart? Yeah, there was definitely not a quart.
Wow.
Nobody cared about this car. I feel bad.
Yeah. Okay, I guess you can put the drain plug back in.
Okay.
And we're gonna pump some in there.
Alright.
Use all your horsepowers.
Try.
So, like, the further back you
Yeah, I
hold
know.
this, yeah, the more
But
leverage you have.
I just don't. I want to hold it here too.
That's
So.
good. I just wipe that clean.
Yeah. Okay.
It's nice, but like the oil pan's not leaking or anything because I'm putting a gasket on there. So.
Yep. Perfect.
You gonna pump?
Sure.
Remember which one pumps? Which one?
It's the top one.
This one. This one. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one will go. You're gonna hold it upside down like
Okay.
this. Like that, and then
One goes in here.
it's like the hose is short. I have a longer hose.
Yeah.
And then, oops. I'll do it like this. Okay. Start pumping. Don't move too much, but.
Yeah.
And then start. Oh man, it's leaking over here. You're pushing up against it and it's starting to leak. There you go. Okay. When it starts leaking from up there, that means that's it. Halfway.
Alright.
Yeah.
From
Fresh
up there?
fluid. You know what? One fluid I forgot to buy? Differential fluid
Oh.
for the rear axle.
Yeah.
Almost.
So it says leak from up there?
Yeah, here we go.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Do one more. Okay, yeah, it's done.
Okay. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a little bit less than a quart.
Yeah. I can't see it.
Where we're just pumping oil. On the side?
No. Over here.
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Where am I going?
You're going sideways.
Cool.
That's why
I can't see nothing.
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, I can't see anything. I think you did last time, so.
So we got a bad bearing over here in the front.
Yeah.
We're gonna remove the wheel, remove the whole hub, and get a new bearing pressed in.
Alright. It doesn't matter which one, alright?
No, it doesn't. We're gonna hold it. I'll hold it when you get the last one. That screw. find the holes in the back where those bolts go.
Ah. Mhm.
And now you have a better idea.
So then I would probably. Okay. I think I got it.
Of course you got it.
I wouldn't say of course, but I mean.
Look at that drilled rotor though. You should paint your calipers red.
Yes. Red, blue, and what is it? What else? It's just red and blue, right? Two different shades of blue.
Red, white, and blue.
No, it wasn't red. Oh, yeah. I'm talking about Beamer logo. None of this stuff will fall off, other, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Famous last words. Take the rubber ones out, right? The
The caps.
The cap. And they are right here.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, I can see stuff. I need a screwdriver or something.
Yeah. Screwdriver. Yeah, let me pry this off.
Okay.
Watch out. That's crazy how the sensor just broke.
Yeah, I know.
The wire broke in half. It must have been not installed properly and probably was rubbing against the wheel.
And probably like everything else on this car.
Yeah, this car is something else.
Nothing was installed properly.
If this was a Ford, we'd already be driving. See how it says rear passenger side?
Yep.
Is this right?
Yes.
This car's actually like pretty clean underneath.
Yeah, it is.
Rust-wise.
Surprisingly.
That's probably the only good thing about it.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know why car YouTubers use GoPros. Just can't touch an expensive camera with these hands.
Because GoPro has better quality.
No, it doesn't have better quality, but
Yes, it does.
it's more reliable for things like this. Like, it could fall. You got dirty hands all the time.
I love new parts.
Yeah, me too.
Did you see how thin that rotor was?
No, not this one.
Check it out.
Let me see it. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's crazy thin.
Boom. You good?
Yeah. Wow.
Somebody's gonna say that I'm using the wrong grease.
Yeah, for real.
Whatever.
Let's compare it to the old ones real quick.
It's still got some life.
Yeah, a little bit.
You don't want to do what I did. I got some grease on the pad.
Oh yeah, that's not. It's gonna.
So don't do that.
Definitely not.
Oh man, I didn't press it in all the way. What the heck?
That beautiful E30.
Yeah. There it goes.
There it goes.
Okay, where is it?
Alright.
So we got all the brakes and rotors replaced. The only thing we didn't have was that emergency brake pads. Didn't even think about it. And someone forgot to order it. But so we got all of them complete. Just need to put the tires on, wheels on, and take it for a test drive, and hopefully the transmission's gonna act right. Let's do it. Yeah, because you gotta pump them because we changed them all. Get the key in?
Yeah.
No power? Dead? Okay, start it. Start it. Okay, so cleared all the codes. The brake light is still on. Gonna take it for a test drive. It drives backwards. It's already a good sign.
Yeah, better than before.
Yeah. Brakes are good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay, so I drove backwards. It's going to drive.
It's driving. No way.
Dude, drives.
That's beautiful. That's amazing.
It drives!
Yes.
And the wheel's not falling off anymore.
That's very good.
Let's take it around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
You driving?
Sure.
I guess I'll close this door for you.
I'm nervous about turning around in the parking lot.
Why? Hey, Ken. Student driver. Alright, so it runs and drives now. The rear pad sensor is still showing that it's bad, even though we installed a new one, so I'm guessing it's a wiring problem. But I'm happy that the transmission is shifting. All the gears are shifting and it goes in reverse and stuff like that, so I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see if he can make a turn. He's doing good. He's 13 years old. He's about to be 14 in December. And he's driving his own car. Well, second time driving. Go fast. It's good, runs good. So that's gonna be it on this one. Stay tuned for more later.